the passage of time inevitably leaves its mark on our skin. This intrinsic aging process, also known as chronological aging, is a natural phenomenon governed by our genes. Starting as early as our mid-20s, the production of essential skin proteins like collagen and elastin begins to decline. Collagen, the building block of our skin, provides structural support and firmness. Elastin, as its name suggests, is responsible for our skin's ability to bounce back after stretching. As these proteins diminish, our skin gradually loses its youthful plumpness and resilience. This intrinsic aging process manifests differently across individuals and ethnicities, influenced by genetic predispositions. However, the underlying mechanism remains consistent: a gradual slowdown in cellular activity and a decline in the skin's structural integrity. This sets the stage for the visible signs of aging that become more prominent with time. While intrinsic aging is an inevitable consequence of time, extrinsic factors, largely stemming from our environment, significantly accelerate the aging process. The most impactful of these environmental aggressors is ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. UV rays penetrate deep into the skin, damaging the collagen and elastin fibers that keep our skin firm and supple. This photo damage, as it is known, leads to wrinkles, sagging, and uneven skin tone. Beyond sun exposure, other environmental factors contribute to premature aging. Pollution, particularly from particulate matter in the air, can clog pores and generate free radicals that damage skin cells. Smoking, with its myriad toxins, accelerates collagen breakdown and constricts blood vessels, depriving the skin of vital nutrients and oxygen. The cumulative impact of intrinsic aging and extrinsic factors manifests in various visible changes in our skin. These clinical features can be broadly categorized into textural changes, pigmentary changes, and structural changes. Textural changes are among the earliest signs of aging. Fine lines and wrinkles, particularly around the eyes and mouth, gradually deepen over time. The skin's texture may become rougher and less smooth, with enlarged pores becoming more noticeable. Pigmentary changes often accompany textural irregularities. Sunspots, also known as age spots or liver spots, are flat, brown discolorations that arise from accumulated sun damage. Uneven skin tone, with areas of hyperpigmentation, darkening, and hypopigmentation, lightening, becomes more pronounced. While we cannot stop the aging clock entirely, we can significantly influence how our skin ages through a multifaceted approach that combines preventive strategies, topical treatments, and advanced interventions. Prevention forms the bedrock of any anti-aging skincare regimen. Sun protection, through daily use of broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, is paramount in mitigating UV-induced damage. Avoiding smoking and minimizing exposure to pollution are equally crucial. Topical treatments such as retinoids, antioxidants, and peptides can help repair existing damage and stimulate collagen production. Retinoids, derivatives of vitamin A, are particularly effective in reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. For more significant concerns, procedural interventions like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, and laser treatments can address specific issues. These procedures work by removing damaged outer layers of skin, promoting cell turnover, and stimulating collagen remodeling.